How to add website to Google Search Console. Hello everyone, I'm Jason. The first thing you will need to do is go in your browser and you are going to search for Google Webmaster, or you can search for Google Search Console. After you have searched for either one, you are going to select Google Search Console. Then you are going to be redirected to this page. Once you have done that, you are going to tap on Start Now. Once you have selected Start Now, you will be redirected to a page just like this. And from here, you need to now go into your website admin page. So for this example, I'm using a WordPress website. So once on your WordPress website, all you will need to do is go up to the top right where the URL is, and you are going to copy your URL. After you have copied your URL, you're going to go back into Google Search Console, and right where you see URL prefix, you can paste the URL right there. Then you're going to tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, you will see Verifying Property, and just give it some time, just give it a few seconds or so on. From here, you can see the option Download the file, and you can see the file name right there. Or you will have other options on how to verify it by using the HTML tag right here, or if you have Google Analytics, you can also use that. But for this example, what we are going to be, as you can see, there are numerous verification options we can choose from. But for this example, the easiest one that I would recommend is this one right here by the name of HTML tag. So this is the option that we're going to be using. The first thing you'll need to do is go onto your WordPress admin page. Then you're going to go over to the bottom left hand corner, and right where you see plugins, you're going to tap on Add New. After selecting Add New, you'll be redirected to this dashboard, and in the search bar I want you to type in header. So you're going to type in header. After typing in header, you will see these plugin options, and right where you see WP code, I want you to download, or better yet, install the WP code plugin, and you're also going to tap on activate. After you have activated it, I will show you what to do next. Once it has been activated, you're going to go over to the bottom left hand corner, and right below settings, you're going to see code snippets, and from here you're going to select header and footer. After selecting header and footer, you will be redirected to this page, and we are going to go back into Google Search Console, and we are going to copy the link. Remember HTML tag that they say we should add in the header section. And then we are going to tap on header and footer. And in the header, we are going to simply paste the tag right here. Then we are going to tap on Save Changes. After you have selected Save Changes, as you can see right here, you are going to go back into Google Search Console, and then you're going to tap on Verify. And as you can see, the verification may take a few minutes, so just simply wait, and you can see right there, ownership verified. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Go to Property, and now you can see your property name has been added in the top left hand corner, as you can see right here. And after you have done this, the next thing you're going to need to do is go back into your WordPress website. Then you're going to tap on plugins again, and you're going to tap on Add New. And the reason why you're going back and doing this is because I want you to upload your sitemap onto Google Search Console, as this will help your website to be found quicker by Google. And next thing you're going to do, in the search bar, you're going to type in sitemap. And from here you can see numerous sitemap generators, and the one that I would recommend you use is either sitemap generator for Google, or you could scroll down and you could select XML sitemap. But for this example, the one that we'll be using is sitemap generator for Google. So let's tap on install now. After it has been installed, you're going to tap on activate. Once it has been activated, as you can see right here, all you'll need to do now, you could simply scroll down and find the Google Sitemap app. As you can see right here, here it is. Or you can go over to the left-hand menu option. Once it has been installed, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, and right where you see settings, you're going to hover over that. Then you're going to see XML sitemap. You're going to tap on that. After selecting XML sitemap, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you can simply tap on that right there to close out of it. Then you're going to scroll down, and this is the sitemap. And this would be, as you can see, the URL to your sitemap index, and you can see your sitemap right here. So all you'll need to do now is go back into Google Search Console. Once in Google Search Console, from the left-hand menu option, you're going to select Sitemaps, and you can see add your new sitemap. And to add your sitemap is actually quite easy. We're going to go back into your website. Once in your website, you're going to simply tap on the sitemap right here, and you can see your sitemap has been generated. And all you'll need to do now, you're going to copy this section. Then you're going to go back into Google Search Console, and you're going to paste the Excel right here, sitemap.xml. Then you're going to tap on submit. And you can see your sitemap has been successfully submitted. Then you're going to tap on got it. And that's it. So all you have to do now is simply wait, and then you will see different keywords from your website will start ranking, and you will see pages from your website start showing up in Google search. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.